Hello everyone. Starting my birthday vlogging now. I'm having like a little bit of a party this weekend for the 21st, and yeah, it's pretty much like an excuse to make my long-awaited vegan platter that I've been meaning to film for you guys for ages. I just didn't want to do it when obviously there was no one to eat it, so party is a good excuse, you know? There'll be people to eat it there. So yeah, it is like a really hot day today, so I'm just about to wash some fake grass that I just picked up from Bunnings. Cost about $50, I think. This platter isn't gonna be the cheapest, but it's not gonna be overly expensive either. But I'm just saying, like, yeah, the grass is gonna go with like my theme for the party, having like green flowers, woods, kind of like eco-friendly kind of vibes. And yeah, grass looks really good under food, so I can reuse it anyway. But yeah, I'm gonna wash it. It is plastic, so it should be fine. I've seen people put food on fake grass before and it looks really, really good. So yeah, I'm sure it's fine and hygienic, but just in case, I'm just gonna give it a bit of like a hose down and a dry off in the sun, just in case, you know. So I think I'll see you on the day of the platter now, because I'm not going to take you guys shopping. I think it might be a little bit pointless to do that. I am going to go to Coles because they have all like the vegan things that I want to get. I wish I could go to Aldi, but they just don't have the stuff that I want. But yeah, I will have everything in the description below, so it will be really easy for you guys to like follow along, buy everything that I bought in case you guys want to replicate the platter. I will see you soon. Good morning. Alrighty, let's get this show on the road. So I don't even know what I have to do. I'm just gonna start preparing the foods now. If you guys want a more in-depth prep tutorial, the link for my tips and tricks for making a platter will be down below. And also I used about 1/3 of this watermelon for a cocktail, which I had on the sides of the platter, and a video link for the recipe for that will also be down in the description as well, because I've done a video on that before. So we are now making vegan meatballs, or vegan balls, or nut balls, I don't know what they're called, but I will also leave the recipe for that in the description below, of course. So yeah, it's just for something extra, you know, because like we've got a lot of people to feed and Mum's worried that we won't have enough food. But yeah, I reckon this will be like a good addition anyway. I did originally want like a lot more homemade cooked kind of foods on there, but I don't know what happened. I've just been like really like not prepared lately. Roasted kidney beans, garlic and spring onion, and the quinoa. Making most of our own dips, because literally all the dips at the shops have animal products in them. Unless you want to pay for like really expensive stuff, then it's just cheaper to make your own. So we are making the guac, and we're gonna make the same tricolor hummus that we made in last year's massive platter tutorial, which I'll link down below as well. And we are also making a vegan cob loaf. Alright guys, we are going to the place now. We're like running so late, we have so much to do. Sorry. YOLO, no, it's not your fault, we were running late as well. Yeah. Everyone's gonna start rocking up and we're still gonna be getting ready. That's why I said 7:30. I know. Oh well. YOLO. All the vegan. Yeah, cool. and like hardly filmed anything, guys. This is the final product without that mess. Ignore. So, I'm so sorry that there wasn't much footage of me doing the platter. It was gonna be like a full-on time lapse of it. File like got corrupted or something, so it was damaged and I couldn't get it off my camera. And yeah, that was really annoying, but hopefully like there was enough footage for you guys to still pause on it and replicate it. I honestly just did like piles everywhere, fill in the gaps, spread out the colors, and yeah, put some height in there, and it was all good. But yeah, I know that was really annoying, and I was absolutely shattered when I couldn't get that footage off. There will be so many instructions in the description down below, so hopefully there will be more than enough information for you guys to make a vegan platter like this. I was so happy with how it turned out. Like it looked really good in my opinion. And also we just had like no time when we were there. We had about 1.5 hours to set up. I got Chris to make the cob loaf and I forgot to film it happening because I was doing other stuff, and yeah. But I will also leave that recipe down below. You literally just mix everything together, cut out the bread and put it in there like a bowl. And you can bake it if you want. That was the first time me making it and I didn't have time to bake it, but I think it would tasted fine like that. But my friends Marcus and Justice always make cob loaves and they taste so good, and I think sometimes they bake theirs and sometimes they don't. So it's kind of optional. It's an optional thing. It's up to you. I don't know how baking a vegan one would go, but let me know if you try it out. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I've honestly wanted to do that vegan platter for a year. Since my very first platter last year for my birthday. I don't even know if I had much of the platter, but it went really quickly. Like at the start of the night, I was like, oh my god, this is looking so sparse. And I was freaking out and stuff, but I think it was a good amount of food. If anything, I think we needed more like vegan meatballs or something like that, because they went really quickly. And yeah, just something more filling and substantial maybe. More birthday things are coming soon. I'm gonna do like a daily kind of, not daily because it's not what I do every day, but that kind of style of vlogging for over my birthday weekend and stuff. Get ready. Remember to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.